How to open a GitHub project in Visual Studio Code. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to github.com where the project exists. So for example, I have this test project on my GitHub account, and then I'm gonna click on code here, and then you can clone it via this URL, or you can download it directly as a zip file. I'm gonna show you both ways. So if you click on download, it should start downloading like this. And then you can basically extract it from the zip file into a folder. Right click and extract to test main folder. And the other way is to create a folder like this, test, or maybe call it something else, and open the folder, hold down shift, right click on the empty space, open with PowerShell. And you might need to have Git installed on your PC to use this. So you'll need to type git clone and just paste the copied URL from here and press enter and wait for it to clone the content into this folder. And once it's done, you can close and you should find your folder repository here. And to open it in VSCode, simply right click on the folder and then choose open with code. And this should open up the GitHub project in your Visual Studio Code. And then you can start editing the files and adding new files and folders. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you on the next one.